The best way to improve your lagging workflow is to export your data. When you do it manually, you might lose some essential information. You should ensure that your Microsoft project export runs seamlessly. With Relokia, you can perform your data migration anytime and anywhere. An intuitive UI of our app enables you to experience an automated export process so you save your time and resources. You can choose a suitable project management system from a wide range of supported platforms. Export all your tasks and users so you won't leave any crucial data behind. You can maintain relationships between records with an out-of-box mapping. This way, you find your data more easily after your Microsoft project export. With a free demo migration, you can test our app and get a sneak preview of the data migration. On top of that, you get help from professional data migration experts. Plus, you can set demo migration as many times as you need. Ready to export? Click Get It Now and try a free demo.